If you want to create unlimited UGC images and videos, you are on the right video. But as you can see, it's just as simple as that. Once you have your primary image of your avatar or personal character holding a device, you enter it into Video Express AI and use it as a reference image. Enter portrait of a different person and wearing the device and wearing what you want them to have on. Preserve the pose, right device, change the background, lighten, set the location. I put no rings, but what I didn't mention is there's a few things you got to do before you get to that. Because once you inside Video Express AI, you go down to settings here, edit profile, and you actually set it to 9:16. That way you don't have to keep switching it every single time. Okay, go down and save and you're good to go. So once you get your images, at this point, in order to create those images, you can go inside Create with AI, go down to Smart Edit. Once you go to Smart Edit, this is where you upload your reference image. Once you generate all your images, this is when we take those images and turn them into video. So you got to pick an image of your character. Like I picked this character right here and I gave him a script. In order to get a good script, I would recommend you guys go to Facebook Ad Library and find a winning script for a product like yours and model that proven script. Because if people are running ads on it, it must have all of the right elements for conversions. Once you go to Facebook Ad Library, put all categories for ads. And in this particular case, I want to have massager. And when I saw some viral ads, I just downloaded the ad. I went down to here, copy, link address, and I downloaded the ad right there. Just that simple. Once I got the ad, I got the transcript from the ad as well, and I transcribed the video. You go to like something like Video Transcriber. That way you have a winner ad formula. And everything I do when it comes down to script writing, I follow Harry Chang's script writing template formula. Let me show you. I'm going to put this in the description as well. So this script writing formula right here, focus on this. It starts with a relatable moment. Make it more slightly vulnerable for annoying, but it will fill in the rest themselves and then bridge them to the product. There's a simple formula right here. This is improvement proven framework right here for this formula right there. All right.
For most video creators, I'm going to dumb it down.
I'll get this document right here so you can actually have a viable formula for ads. Yeah, so once you're right here, I want to explain it this time because let me see how the other ones look. You got to make sure they all look good before you actually download to your timeline and export it. This was the first one right here.
You ever notice how your...
Let me delete that one here. This is the one I just started regenerating. So let me see how this looks. The next one.
You ever notice how your hand...
Okay.
I don't think I want to keep that one.
Fine, then the second you stop moving, you feel everything.
That's fine.
That's literally why. So it's not just warming your hand up, it's actually working through your fingers.
So I want to make sure she keeps the glove on her hand.
I use this at night on the couch and it feels so good.
This one's with the glove, so let me go with this one right here and see if she can't hold the glove on this one right here. So I'm going to hit redesign.
I got to fix this prompt so you see how I maneuver this tool.
I got to adjust that a little bit to make it do what I want it to do. All right, let's see what the next one looks like. Let's see if the next one finished yet.
I use this at night on the couch and it feels so good. I'm not gatekeeping, I linked it below.
So I do want her to actually have the glove on her hand. When I edit it, I could kind of put a picture on top of it, and I'll show you that in a second, but I'll make sure they all look good.
Fine, then the second you stop moving, you feel everything.
That's literally why I got this hand massager. It has heat, compression.
You ever notice how your hands hurt more when you finally...
That's the first one. Again, it's still doing something crazy, like that. Hit generate. Because with this software, you can generate as many as you want to generate. And if it doesn't come out right, you got to regenerate it again. At least that simple. So I like these here.
Literally why I got this hand massager.
All right, so they're coming along pretty good.
You want to always create more
Content that I need, because sometimes might get different variation I might like a different variation better. That was weird. Let me see. Whatever one that was, I'm going to hit redesign. Here, woman explaining why wearing a glove on her hand. All right, let's go and see how that looks. You see, this is the new software, so I got to play around with it to see what kind of works with this machine. So I could pretty much get one of these done in about 30 minutes as far as the whole entire process, because I'm going to show you how fast it is to edit through this as well.
You ever notice how your hands hurt more when you finally sit down?
So I'm going to go ahead and hit redesign. That did not come out right at all. But you can already see how easy it is to do. It's not perfect, but it definitely is doable. Like that, generate. Let me see how the next one looks.
You ever notice how...
I don't want that, so I'm going to delete that. Yeah, I don't want that. Anyone that I don't want, I'm going to leave it and leave it up out of my folder. Yeah, once we get them all the ones we want to actually import them to the timeline. And then it's going to give us something like this. This is the whole timeline of all the finished videos. So what I'm going to do here, what we're going to do is cut out all this quiet silence here. I'm going to hit splice and just splice out all the silence inside this content. Delete all that. Don't need those blank spaces here. So it'll be like this.
Hands were so stiff I couldn't even grip my coffee mug right in the morning.
And that's when I knew something had to change.
So this one I actually should have deleted because I did another one.
Link is below. Your hands need. Link is hand pain, soreness, stiff fingers.
So stuff like this I keep because let's say that I just want her to have where her just moving like that. I actually keep this as a scene for her right here. You see how this look?
So it's not just warming your hand up, it's actually working through your fingers and wrist too.
All right, that's way better right there. Let me see how this one look.
You ever notice how your hands hurt more when you finally sit down?
All right, so that's better. So I'm going to download this one, add it to the timeline, add all of it to the timeline. See how fast that was? Just run it a couple times. Change the prompt a little bit. She talked to the camera. She explaining. She's talking in general. All right, so add all this in the timeline because I'm going to use these. All right, anti-hand massage. Go like that and create. Once it's done, you want to go to My Videos, and it's going to be right here. And it's going to download, and you're going to be...
My hands were so stiff I couldn't even...
So some parts, like I said, I'm going to keep, like that right there. So I might even keep that right there. Then this is how we edit the whole entire script. It's how I give you right here. So you're going to go right here, and you sort of cut out all of your different silences from the content, and then play the whole thing back. Keep what you want to keep. And then honestly, after this right here, once it looks good, it sounds good, we would add some B-roll images that you can grab from any website. Let me show you how to do that in a second. Let's say this website right here. Okay, the hand massager. I noticed like some of this B-roll right here. I just go ahead and save these GIFs right here for me. I use these in my video for like B-roll. Go ahead and save image here. All right, I don't think it's the right format at all because it should be a GIF. So once I go and get my file, my image for video, so let me go ahead and go to media, find my hand massager, then I find my folder and then find a video here. I guess I'm not 100%. I think it's the right one. No, this is not the right one. Some people have over here in the same folder that I was at first. Let's see.
So I just need some B-roll footage,
but I'm trying to get the right one. And then the whole time, and now it dropped. Because you wanna capture the image like this, and then use it as B-roll. So as she's talking, the image is pretty much doing the same thing, doing the same talking as well. Once you do that right there, you put it on the image as B-roll.
and this is the final result.
You ever notice how your hands hurt more when you finally sit down? All day you're fine, then the second you stop moving, you feel everything.
So it's not just warming your hand up, it's actually working through your fingers and wrist too.
I use this at night on the couch and it feels so good.
That's literally why I got this hand massager. It has heat, compression, and massage all in one. I absolutely love it. I'm not gatekeeping, I linked it below.